I challenge you guys to go find a really boring area close to where you live. Just go by yourself and see what you can come up with the B-roll challenge.
So as you guys saw, Peter McKinnon has given a B-roll challenge and I went on a spree this afternoon. Here is this video. Peter, I hope you like it. That's it for this video. You know, Peter McKinnon is one of my favorite creators out there. His tutorials about videography, photography, sound effects, it's gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna mention his channel in the description down below. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like it, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay blessed.